So we're here at Graham's on Thursday night. I hear a chainsaw. Oh, it's coming from out back, the Armstrongs. I live across the road. I probably won't be able to see. Hold on a sec. Okay. So I was gonna drive through the development over that way, but to see if I could see, but it's too far away. But well, okay, see, oh. Alright, let's see if we can find it here. See right there how it's kind of fresh? Uh-oh. Alright, the wind was blowing that way. You can kind of tell, because normally the branch probably would have hit the shed. And the shed doesn't look like it was touched. Not even a shingle out of place or disturbed. But we got extra lucky because it even missed the chimenea. How about that? So, but that is a big branch. We're gonna have to get the truck or something to get that out of there and cut it up. But yeah, the winds were blowing like crazy. Like it was gonna start raining. I ran outside quick to put the windows in the car up. The wind started blowing and I was blown a little bit. So yeah, birds are making noise. Here, I'll get a ant on my leg, driving me nuts. Get a better view of the where is it at? Ah, whoops, tripping here. There you can see where it came from. Wonder if any branches fell down in the orchard. Well, that's all I see. That one there. Huh. Usually a branch falls off the tree when the winds blow hard down there. Oh well. I'm surprised that branch there and that one up there didn't fall down, because of how dead they are. Oh, and this tree right here got struck by lightning. Yep. Graham came out one night after a storm and all the bark was just laying on the ground. Hap goes, oh hey, it looks like you got struck by lightning. Ugh, I got more bugs crawling on my legs. Probably just gonna cut it down at the stump and let that little sapling go. Yeah, it's pretty much dead. See? So we're gonna cut that down and probably this weekend we'll take care of that branch. Awesome, guys. Catch you later. Well, not awesome because it could have caused damage, but awesome because it didn't. Whatever. I just say awesome at the end of all my videos. So awesome. See you later.